Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to do a virus scan on the device. So to start, we'll open up the phone management app, which is right here on the screen, or can be found also in the app tray, assuming you have that enabled. And you can just tap on it, and from here you'll see the little button right there, virus scan. So just tap on it, and it automatically scans, and as you can see, your device is secure, so there is no problems there. But if yours has something else, you can basically proceed with whatever it will tell you to do. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.